Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. In this third Python lesson, we're going to talk about how to write an if statement. So what is an if statement? So previously, we have asked the computer to make a decision and tell us whether the decision is true or false, or the answer to the question that we asked is true or false. So we're going to extend that a little bit and make the computer do things based on the answer to a question. So let's create a whole new variable. Now, so far, the variables we have used don't have much meaning. So now I'm going to try and give you a little bit of more meaning in the variable. So let's try age. Okay, age is 10. Okay, if you imagine a little kid going to school, primary school, age 10, and then I'm going to ask the computer a question. Okay, I'm going to say if age is bigger than 18, if age is bigger than 18, I'm going to print you are an adult. Okay, so if I run this, guess what happens? Nothing happens. Why is that? Because you're not 18 yet. Okay, but if I make this smaller, now it says you're an adult, but it doesn't make sense because it shouldn't be smaller than 18. So I'm going to say you are still a child, right? Because you're not an adult. You're an adult or a child. So if age is smaller than 18, you're still a child. If age is bigger than 18, you are an adult. Okay, but how do I put both things in? Okay, because right now it's not going to work again. So you need to change it up a bit. You need to say one more thing. So you need to say else. And that's when you need to bring this back. Now, this little space is actually compulsory in Python. So if you notice, if I don't have that little tab, I press play, I press run, it's not going to work. So I have to press tab on your keyboard, and then it works. All right, so it works, but it's not going to show anything because you've got 10 here. So next thing we want to do is put else. So what do you want to do if it is not bigger than 18? So you've got bigger than 18 here, but if it's smaller than, if it's not bigger than 18, what do you want it to do? You're going to print you are still a child, or just say you're a child. Okay, I run this. You're a child if the age is 15. You're a child if the age is 21. You're an adult. Okay, so there is your basic if statement. It's made a decision based on a number. All right, and that's what I want to share with you today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.